Alright guys, so there's some pretty cool news I want to share with you today, and this is the Android XR Developer Catalyst program. So if you're an AR enthusiast as me and you want to get your hands on the latest hardware and the latest software as well to build with the best XR device out there, then this might be a great program for you. So you might have also followed or noted that there is the Google I/O 2026, and kind of in conjunction with that, this XR developer program has started. Together with another announcement or some kind of confirmation that actually XREAL's Project Aura, I don't know if you have ever heard about it so far, will indeed be released or coming in 2026, which is not so long anymore, a few months probably. And so this program is essentially something you can apply to if you want to get early access to the latest AR hardware, especially the XREAL Project Aura. So at the I/O, they also announced some intelligent eyewear smart glasses that have like audio and like just cameras and audio. But then there's also the Project Aura, which seems to be a full spatial XR glasses essentially, and they also kind of updated the page here on XREAL. So we've talked about XREAL in the past already, and it was more or less a independent manufacturer of, well, let's say smart glasses, because in the past it was mostly that you could just extend your display on the glasses and maybe like watch things on a big screen. But Project Aura seems to be something very different, because it's running Android XR. So here XREAL kind of is functioning as, I would say, the hardware manufacturer, and then Android XR is running on the glasses, which is super interesting. So they also have this little video here. And here we kind of see apps running on the glasses, which is quite interesting as well. These are just Android apps that run in 2D, but as it seemed to me from all the from the presentation, also what's shown here, it seems to be that this will actually be a full-on AR glasses with well, spatial computing, being able to show 3D applications that you might have built in your Unity project or something like that, and of course some AI integration, which probably will all of these new glasses have. However, coming back to kind of the program here, you can apply here with an idea and maybe with a portfolio of what you've already built. And if you get accepted into the program, which will be, so you have time until June 30th and until July 15th, if you get selected, well, Google will decide for you, you will have early access to this amazing hardware, and you will be able to play around with it, build something with it, and get early into kind of the AR building phase. Because something that is quite apparent and quite important to know if you're an AR developer, right now we are kind of in a weird in-between time where there's phone AR, but it's not really that exciting for many people anymore. And glasses like the Meta Quest or something, they are already not that really state of the art anymore, and nothing that, well, the average user would probably buy to do augmented reality. And well, also not we are outside, right? But we slowly but steadily get into the phase where we get real AR glasses that also look good, that look like just normal sunglasses that people would want to wear outside, like the Meta Ray-Ban, for example. And now's the time to kind of plan what you want to build and what you want to create, and ideally, if you can, get early access to the hardware. Because once the glasses from Google, from Apple, from Snapchat come out and the mass will adopt it, which will still take probably a year or two or something. But when that happens, then, well, the focus will be on these new glasses, there will be a hype, and everyone will start developing for it. And now you have the time to kind of have a head start and plan everything out, build your prototypes, see what works, to then launch your app and be an early adapter, be a first mover, and therefore have an advantage in the future. All right, so I put the link in the video description. I definitely would recommend to apply for that if you're interested in building your AR app, or you maybe already have some kind of AR app for phones or something like that, and you want to just get a head start in front of everyone else.